Uh, Today, day 39th December 2024. These are the overall summary for November, and we have this in detail in November month summary thing. And here I have the matrix definition, and this is the setup which we have. And today the update will be like cumulative profit 4967678 and cumulative unrealized loss of profit or loss minus 19507.3, and risk reward will be more because this is only up to only we are considering 12th December 2024, but we have some position in Jan also, so if it goes in loss the other portion will be in profit, so we can tally those things. That's the thing. And we have utilized few of the money which we have for buffer, and this is also same thing. These two it's only for 12th December portion, not for the whole, and these are already booked one in November month end, and this is just divided by 5 because it's a 5-week uh, profit. And max profit and loss is nothing but the cumulative profit and loss, and these are the things which we saw in November, and we will move on to the day 30. Yesterday we have seen this thing, and today the positions will be we haven't closed any position, but we have created few position. That is this position 24,350 PE. Actually we have 24,000 PE for 100 unit, but only one position we created. I didn't get good chance to create one more position, so I was waited for a longer time, and it didn't happen, so I need to wait for one or two more days. So when it is closer to the expiry, that is 12th, then we may get another opportunity. So at the time I may average this portion, or I will create some portion which is less riskier, I will say. So that's our plan, and these are the portion which we have in Jan. And for 26th December we don't have any position, and these are all mostly 50 units. So both the side I have done, and two call side and one put side I have. This put side also I created today only 24,000 PE and 24,200 PE. It's not too big, it's a closer range only, so it's a difference of just 50 points. Actually it's just a small thing, because I kept this portion just for adjustment, not to make any big difference profit or something. So if it moves upward, then I need to um, I need some counter position, so that I kept. And then this gold piece, and there is not big change, just 40 paisa something is difference, and overall it's around minus 50 159. And VIX you can see the closer one, that is 12th December, it's more, and remaining Jan positions it's around 13 and 12, and unrealized loss will be minus 19507, and realized thing will be there. And this is only December month, the first 1 week whichever I booked, not the previous month profit or any losses. So that's a both the combined together only it's showing in the top minus 49. And this is a range which we have, and if there is no move, then we will be getting this is a minimum loss we will get. And as I said, I need to create one more position like 50 units. So if I do, then this negative will be we won't get this negative value, but I am looking for some good opportunity. And negative side, we have some loss. mm, and if it goes in the negative, overall it will be loss only, and in the both the side plus 3% and minus 3% at the time of 12th December. But I can change adjust some position to tally this loss if it goes in the negative way. So that's why I bought some position. I have some position. mm, and this is theta, and combined together this is the value, and this is a this is in a positive delta, and this is a negative. It's not a problem, but theta side, if you see, this is 57 because it is closer to expiry, and it is 26, it's because it's away. Gamma also, it's more, it is very less, and it's a minus 53, and it is a minus 109. It shows that it will be reactive to IV, how much it will react to IV. And this is the chart we have, and this is today how it ends. So it's like RSI already, it's more, so it may turn around a little bit, and it can go up again, or it's consolidate there itself and it will go up. And that's about today, day 30.